As someone who has experienced both the ups and downs of relationships, I understand the importance of putting an effort to improve and maintain a healthy relationship. After years of trial and error, I have compiled a list of 5 simple steps that can significantly improve any relationship. Step 1. Communication. Communication is key in any relationship. It's important to make sure that both partners feel heard and understood. Start by setting aside time each day to have an open and honest conversation with your partner. To avoid blaming or making your partner defensive, say I instead of you. Make sure to also actively listen to your partner without interrupting or dismissing their thoughts and feelings. Step 2. Show appreciation. It's easy to take your partner for granted, especially when they've been around for a long time. Take a moment each day to show appreciation for your partner, whether it's a small compliment or a heartfelt thank you for something they did. Acts of kindness, such as surprising them with their favorite snack or doing a chore they hate, can also go a long way. Step 3. Keep the romance alive. Just because you've been together for a while doesn't mean the romance should die. Make an effort to keep the romance alive by doing things such as planning date nights or surprising your partner with a thoughtful gesture. Physical touch, such as holding hands or cuddling, is also important in keeping the spark alive. Step 4. Respect each other's boundaries. Every person has their own set of boundaries, and it's important to respect them. Be clear about your boundaries, and make sure to also listen to your partner's boundaries. This can help avoid unnecessary conflicts or misunderstandings. Step 5. Work through conflict. No relationship is perfect, and conflicts are bound to arise. The key is to work through them together instead of letting them tear you apart. Make sure to approach conflict in a calm and rational manner, and avoid blaming or attacking your partner. Use positive statements to express how you feel and listen carefully to your partner's perspective. Come up with a solution together that works for both of you. In conclusion, improving your relationship doesn't have to be a daunting task. By implementing these 5 simple steps, you can improve your communication, show appreciation, keep the romance alive, respect each other's boundaries, and work through conflict together. Remember, a healthy relationship takes effort from both partners, but the payoff can be incredibly rewarding. That's it for this week's video. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more life-changing content.